Hi, my name is Carla. I am from Anatomy and Physiology Lab, and today we're going to be talking about the isotonic and the isometric contractions and a little bit about their difference and similarities when it comes to their actions. We're also going to be pointing out and talking about the some major muscles that we have in our body, like the head, the torso, the arms, and the legs. And overall, just trying to get a little more details about everything and what they do. And yeah. Hi, today we're gonna be talking about the difference between isometric and isometric. Hi, I'm Carla from my Anatomy and Physiology Lab class. Today we're gonna be talking about the isotonic and the isometric difference, and also we're going to be talking about the major muscles. I put a little picture here, but I'm still going to point it out in my body. So yes. Okay, so this is a little isotonic and isometric chart that I did. Both isotonic and isometric contractions are a type of skeletal muscle contractions. They both actually require ATP, and they both use actin and myosin, and they also create muscle tension. The difference is that isotonic contractions produce movement, while isometric contractions produce force without the movement. In isotonic contraction, the muscle changes length while producing movement still. There are two types. A concentric contraction, which is when the muscle shortens. Let's say we're lifting dumbbell during the bicep curl. That is a concentric muscle contraction. An eccentric contraction is when the muscle lengthens while still producing force. A good example is lowering the dumbbell. The isometric contraction is when the muscle produces tension, but it does not change length. The joint stays in the same position. Example, when we're doing a plank, or we're sitting against the wall doing a wall sit, or we're holding a heavy object without movement. 5 head muscles are the frontalis, the temporalis, 2, 3 the masseter, 4 the orbicularis oculi, 5 the orbicularis ori. Those are 5 muscles that we have in the head itself. So then we have also the pectoralis major, we have the rectus abdominis right here, we also have the serratus anteriors, the internal oblique, and the external oblique, which they're in different layers in the torso. For the back muscles, we have the trapezius, we also have the latissimus dorsi, which is right here. Then we also have the rhomboid minor, the rhomboid major, and we also have a muscle here which is called the levator scapularis right here. For the arm, we have the deltoid, we also have the brachis brachialis and the biceps brachii. We also have the triceps brachii, we have the brachialis, and the arm. For the leg, we have the glute maximum, which is in the back. We also have the rectus femoris, the vatus lateral, which is the inside of the thigh. We have the biceps femoris and the gastrocnemius, which is your calves.